Yo, what's good? Welcome back. Happy Friday. We took two trades today. One was a loser, one was a winner. The winner was a 6 to 1 risk reward. I'm gonna go over my analysis on this trade and why I took it to begin with. Why I took these trades to begin with. Starting with the losing trade. Okay, we get market open, price open below the pre market lows. So when that happens, we wanted to see it create an internal range from 9:50 to 10 a.m. Eastern. So here's 9:50, right? 10 a.m. So you want to look before that. Where's the most obvious low? Right here, right? And where's the high? Here. So we want to see one of those levels get swept, correct? Before we see displacement, breaking structure to the upside, leaving behind an imbalance, which is an area for entry for us. And this is where I went wrong, and well, looking at it now, you clearly see my mistake. I had assumed that price swept liquidity since it came very close to this level I marked out, where liquid. I hate saying that word. Where liquidity lies. I had just assumed it took it since it displaced very strongly, breaking structure to the upside. Correct. Left behind this imbalance. Entered off this imbalance, and boom, stopped out. And why do we get stopped out? Because what was price really doing? Well, what did price did not do before? Sweep liquidity, right? So what did it want to do? Take out the liquidity. So as soon as it takes out the liquidity and I get stopped out, I wasn't thinking about what was gonna happen after. I was just like, okay, I got stopped out, whatever. On to the next trade, and I saw that it came down to this level of liquidity, and then we got a reaction, and then we got displacement, break a structure to the upside, imbalance, right? Which is our go-to setup. And now that it actually swept the liquidity, I was way more confident in taking this trade. I was confident in this at first because it was looking pretty. However, this happened. But that was that trade. And going on to this trade, our winning trade. Oh, sorry. Going to over to our winning trade. All right, we get the liquidity sweep here. We get the break of structure. We get the imbalance. Oh, we get the displacement, breaking structure to the upside, leaving behind this imbalance. We entered off this imbalance. Rode it targeting these pre-market highs, and since price was shopping around all day within $1, I didn't expect it to be such a strong movement. So when price hit this TP here, I was all out and took my money and ran. And price ended up coming back down, back to that area before dumping. So yeah, good thing we exited there and took our money and ran. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys Monday. I don't think we have. Oh, that's embarrassing. You guys saw me looking up Nirvana lyrics. I don't think we have anything going on Monday. No. So probably not take a trade Monday. If you don't have high impact news Monday, it's best to avoid it. Get a lot of consolidation, but we'll see whether we get a setup or not. Man, I have such a speech impairment. I hate it, but I'm working on it. No. Thanks for watching. See you next trade.